One mistake costed me over 2 lakh rupees and I eventually had to discard the entire brand. Before Windoff, I spent months creating this brand called MR. With no prior experience in the industry and not seeking out mentorship in the beginning, I worked on branding, website design and everything. But reality hit me hard. I got to know that the name is not legally available and without trademark and name registration, the brand would not sustain and have legal issues. After pouring in so much time, energy and money, it straight away went to drain. This was the lowest point in my journey, but I decided to let go of it and start over again. And that's how Windoff is born. Every entrepreneur could commit mistakes, but the only ones who reach the top are the ones who don't give up. And make sure you follow me for more so you don't miss out on the business lessons like these.